Okay, so this is basically how we can add some vines along Stumpy's body here. And to be able to do that, there's a couple things we have to do. The first thing is we have your object that was imported in from ZBrush, and it was decimated down because the original object was going to have way too many polygons for us to be able to work with. So I went and decimated that down and exported the OBJ of that. And then now, inside of Maya, I have that object imported. I'm going to have it selected, and I'm going to press this button right here. And that is make the selected object live. So if I press that button, it makes it live. Then if I go to Create, CV Curve Tools, or Curve Tools, and I click on EP Curve Tool. When I click on this, when I start to draw, it stays along the surface of my object, which is extremely helpful so I can draw details onto an object. Now that I have that done, I'm going to create a box, move it down, delete the bottom of it, and I'm going to bring it over here and scale that. So maybe it's about this big. Okay, now the fun part. I can grab that curve after I had that one selected. So I have that face selected. So I'll go to face mode, select that, select the curve, go to extrude, and we want divisions maybe 25. Let's go 30 for this one. Okay. Now, I'm going to leave that alone. Now that I have that, go into the attribute editor. And inside of here, I want to increase the twist on this so it feels more organic. Right now it's following that same path. So if I change that, maybe 360, you'll notice it's spinning around that. So that actually gives a little bit more of an organic feel to it, along with playing with the shapes like this. So this is an easy way that we can draw curves or vines along a path to make it feel a little bit more organic. And the nice part too is if I go into my X-ray and I find that curve, I can still change that. I can modify some of these pieces here, and it is following that path still. It's following that curve, so you can start to adjust that on there. So that's just an easy way that we can do that.